If you click on this payment receive and you have not received the amount, your token is otilo, it is gone. So please make sure you always confirm that you have received the amount first before. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is AG Update. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can perform P2P, especially those of you that are in Nigeria. So how you can convert your USDT to Naira. Those of you that have USDT in your account, those of you that have cryptocurrency in your account, how you can convert it to Naira. So I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step guide on how you can process it using Gate.io. So for those of you that want to start holding cryptocurrency and you don't know the preferred exchange to use, I would recommend you use Gate.io. Very secure, especially for those of you that are in Nigeria, because a lot of exchange you cannot do P2P except maybe you send. Even before you perform P2P, you need to send from another exchange to exchange that perform P2P, which Gate.io it is very important. If you have in other exchanges, you can send it to Gate.io and make P2P with Gate.io. So why Gate.io is very important is that you can make a transaction worth of your crypto token to at least 1,000 Naira. So if it's your last card, so far it is equivalent to 1,000 plus Naira. You can make P2P with it, which is very important. But in this video I'm going to use $4 to show you how to perform P2P on Gate.io. So why you need to watch this video to the end is because a lot of you don't know how to perform P2P and you are afraid that if you venture try P2P, there is a probability that they are going to scam you. But Gate.io is not like other P2P exchanges where they will scam you and the P2P agent will not even answer you again, and the customer service of that exchange, they will not answer you. Gate.io is not like that. So I'm going to show you guys how you can use Gate.io to perform the P2P, and please make sure to watch this video to the end because it is going to help you. So for those of you that have cryptocurrency in your wallet that is above $1 or so, for you to perform P2P, this is what you need to do. First of all, if you have like Bitcoin, for example, maybe the token you're holding is Bitcoin, what you just need to do is to click on the Bitcoin, then you click on trade. So you need to convert it to USDT first. So you can see they have limits. You can see it's going to bring you here. So each token have its bare minimum, and sometimes it is above $2, $3 for you to perform the conversion. So you need to convert to USDT first. So if you know you have like $3 above, what you just need to do is to just use either limit or market. But sometimes I prefer market. If I'm in a hurry, I prefer market because market is going to convert it for you instantly. So you don't need to convert market. You just need to select market, then you click sell, then you convert it to USDT. So you're going to see BTC/USDT. So that means you are converting BTC to USDT. So depending on the kind of coin you are holding, because there is not all the tokens are in Gate.io. So you don't need to check if the token you are holding is in Gate.io, fine, you make the swap and the rest. So after that, after converting, and in case it is not up to maybe $2 or so, what you just need to do is just click on convert. So convert is going to convert at least from $1.5 or $1 is going to convert it. So you just need to select USDT under, then the token that you want to convert here. So after converting it to USDT, if you have USDT, as you can see on the screen, you just need to click on the USDT. Then what you just need to do is to click on this side, then you click on withdraw. You can see three dotted lines here. You can see three dotted lines here, then you click on withdraw. So you're going to see P2P under. And in case you don't want to follow this long process, what you just need to do, if you check the home screen, you're going to see withdraw here. So you need to click on withdraw, then you click on P2P. So you can see P2P here. Okay, so you can see buy, you can see sell. So you click on sell, Then the amount of USDT you have, you can just type it here in order to see who you are looking for. And first of all, before I continue, you need to change this to UGN. You send this to UGN, which is Naira. Very important, guys. You just start UGN, change it to Naira. Okay, I've already done that. Then here, make sure you select USDT. Although you can use other token as well. If you have Bitcoin, you can use Bitcoin directly, but I'm using USDT for this. And select USDT. Then the quantity, I have 4.2.2. Then click on confirm so that they can match you to people that want to sell within that range. So you can see this guy here is selling is $1 1,395 as of the time of making this video, but you can also check the time for him to respond to you. It's going to be within 120 minutes. If you do your conversion, you're going to know within some hours. If you do your conversion, it's going to be like 1 hour. Yeah, I think it's 1 hour. 60 is 1 hour, so it's 1 hour. So this guy is 20 minutes. So since I can wait within the range of 20 minutes to receive this, I can't wait within 1 hour before this guy can answer me. Although his rate is higher than the rest, but it's just like two Naira difference. So I'm just going to go with this guy within 20 minutes. So let's see. Okay, maybe later for that. Then I'm just going to click max. But before then, you need to add a bank account if you have not added any bank account. So you need to add a bank account. Very important, guys. You need to add a bank account, like maybe OPay, PalmPay. If you click on this side, you're going to see option for bank account. You select the bank that you want to add and the rest, then you're good to go. So after that, after adding the bank account, if you have not done that for the first time, after adding the bank account, then you click on max. Okay, or you put the amount that you want to withdraw. You can see it's equivalent here. It's going to give me like 5,800 and something. Now I'm just going to click on sell with 0 fee. So I've selected my OP as my withdrawal destination, so I don't need to wait for this agent to receive it in my wallet. So you can click on chat also to check if there's any conversation. So I'm just going to tell him, please proceed. Okay, according to him, you have sent me a message. Okay, I've paid via assignment payment method. Please check and confirm, then release. So anytime you see they have said they have paid, please don't click on this payment receive until you verify that you have received the amount first. If you click on this payment receive and you have not received the amount, your token is OTLO, it is gone. So please make sure you always confirm that you have received the amount first before clicking on payment receive. So if you receive the amount you did not click on payment receive, Gate.io is going to hold your token, your USDT. So you cannot use your USDT for anything. In case those of you that have the bad intention that, okay, I've received the money, my USDT is still showing. No, Gate.io is going to hold your USDT until both of you, the guy is going to make the lay complaint, then both of you are going to bring proof. So if the guy is to win, then your token is good. They are going to release your token to him. So don't feel that you can use P2P merchants heads. It's not going to work like that. So same thing with you. If the person claims that he has paid to you and you have not received the token and the person lay complaint, Gate.io say you guys should bring proof. You bring proof, Gate.io make their research and the rest until your bank rectify the issue, or maybe it's on missend or it's lying. It's not going to do you anything. So far, the P2P, you not click payment receive. So now I'm going to confirm if this is true. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, you can see the transaction was successful. So I received the payment from the guy. So I received the payment from the guy. As you can see on the screen, the transaction was successful. So now I'm going to go back to Gate.io and click on payment receive. Now click on I've received it, then click on confirm. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, transaction successful. So this is how you can perform P2P on Gate.io. Very important guys, Gate.io is the best to me. Based on you can withdraw the least minimum. Let me show you guys. Okay guys, clicking on the screen, done. So let's see, going to go back. Okay, so I think you can $1. Let's confirm this. You can see you can make transaction of $1. That is 1,389. So that's the least minimum. Let's see, then convert it to 1,000 and see. Okay, so you can do 1,000 also. You can do 1,000. So this is how you can perform P2P. For those of you that want to know how you can do it, and in case you are looking for a merchant to sell your token to, you can contact me. I'm going to drop my Telegram handle at the description of this video. You can contact me for P2P running. So you can contact me to perform P2P for you, because I'm also a merchant. So those of you interested in doing P2P, you can do it with me. I'm very open. I'm a very legit person. So I have a channel, YouTube channel, that is worth anything you are thinking illegally, but I can do it for you. For those of you that want to do P2P and go through me, I can do it for you. If you want to buy, if you want to sell, you can go through me. I can do it for you. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal greens to your wallet.